Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find a lost Bitcoin wallet on your mobile device. First, carefully check your phone's app drawer and all home screens for any cryptocurrency wallet applications you might have installed. Think back to which specific wallet app you might have used, like a popular one such as Exodus, Trust Wallet, or Electrum. It is important to ensure your mobile device is powered on and fully charged, allowing for a complete and uninterrupted search across all your applications and folders. Next, the most critical step is to locate your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This is usually a sequence of 12 or 24 unique words. Search everywhere you might have stored it: physical notebooks, secure digital documents on your computer, or even encrypted cloud storage services. This phrase is the master key to your Bitcoin, allowing you to restore your wallet on any compatible application or device. Finding it is paramount for regaining access to your digital assets. Expand your search to include any other mobile devices you own, such as old phones or tablets, where you might have previously installed a wallet. Also, thoroughly check your cloud backup services, like Google Drive or iCloud, for any wallet data or files containing your recovery phrase. Don't forget to review your email accounts for any initial setup confirmations or backup instructions from wallet providers. Finally, consider any desktop computers or laptops where you might have created a local backup file. If you've exhausted all previous options, you might consider reaching out to the support team of the specific wallet application you suspect you used. However, remember they typically cannot recover your funds without your recovery phrase. To prevent future loss, always back up your recovery phrase immediately after setting up a new wallet. Store this vital sequence of words securely offline, perhaps in 2 or 3 separate physical locations, ensuring maximum safety and peace of mind for your valuable Bitcoin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.